Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how you can fix Warzone 2 not launching and crashing on startup. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right in the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps to fix the issue. So the first thing that you need to do is go to your battle.net, then open up your Warzone 2.0 and here click on settings and then click on show in Explorer, and once you're in here, select the app, right click on it, then click on properties, and once you're here, just click on compatibility, and here make sure to enable this option, disable full screen optimizations, and once you click that, and be sure to click on this as well, run this program in compatibility mode. And once you click these two, select these two, to click on apply and then click on OK, and you should be good to go. Now if that doesn't fix the issue, what you can do is go to settings and check for update. If there is an update, then just update it, because that might be causing the game to crash or not launch properly. And once you do that, your problem should be fixed. And if that doesn't work for you, then what you can do is go to your GeForce experience. I don't have it, so just open that, and once you open it, check to see if there are updates for any drivers, and if there are updates, just update it and restart your PC, and you should be good to go. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.